You'll thank me forever. Just add some toothpaste to white vinegar for this good reason. You're not going to believe the incredible trick I've got for you today. This is a game changer, and I'm telling you, it works like magic. So grab some vinegar and toothpaste, and let's dive in. Start by pouring a good amount of vinegar into a bowl. The vinegar is like your natural superhero, disinfecting and cutting through grime. Then add an equal amount of toothpaste to the bowl. The toothpaste, believe it or not, has a gentle abrasive that'll scrub away even the toughest stains. I'll mix and stir here, and while you wait, drop in the comments from which city you're watching. I'm giving a shout out to the first comment in my next upload. Okay, once you've got that magic mixture ready, you're gonna want to grab a sponge or a brush. Now, here's where the fun begins. Apply that mix onto your tiles, sink, drains, or toilet bowl. It might look a little strange at first, but trust me, it's doing all the hard work for you. Just spread it out evenly and make sure you cover those stains and grime. Now, here's the key. For the best, most mind-blowing results, you're gonna let the mixture sit for 5 minutes. This allows the vinegar and toothpaste to work their way into the dirt, breaking down all the buildup. Once you're done scrubbing, go ahead and rinse it all off with some water. And bam! Look at that shine! Your sink and toilet will be so clean, you'll practically see your reflection. Subscribe for more tips.